Yeah, I want to update you, our team in abroad, for the construction process. We have almost complete. You have seen now the 1 hour is completed, and the other one will be completed today also. And what is left now is to put the doors and windows, and then we will call it the completion of the process of the construction of John Lual house. We will keep you updated. Within 2 days, we are going to wind up the process of the construction. What is left now is only one thing, and that is the latrine. Otherwise, it looks good now for a family to come in and stay in. It is good that we want to thank you all for your contribution. God bless you, and we wish you the best all the time to stand for the support of needed. You will be very excited that he has blessed to have this wonderful family, a wonderful house that he will be coming in to stay here in Aweil town. Thank you very much, and may God bless you.
Madal ben jag binum jeng madal ben yeg lang dig chirar kongwar gen dig chirar kongwar jeng madal ben jag binum wa madal ben yeg lang ngare dig chirar kongwar wa madal ben jag binum jeng madal ben yeg lang diga man rando kuran kan o man ranling kejo diga man rando kuran kan o man ranling kejo diga kinai langar Tiga nyara le benno, tiga kinai langar, tiga nyara le benno. Kokonya na bayo, na taga na makabanen chol, na nere mama dio. Bin bola yindinian, tiga konya na bayo. Kwaje kany bakang chol, na taga na makabanen chol, na nere mama dio. Bin bola yindinian, na taga na makabanen chol, na nere mama dio. Nam kubanen jol na nere mama dio taga nam kubanen jol na nere mama dio ben bol yum denian taga nam kubanen jol na nere mama dio